how to transfer USDT from Bitget to Binance without fee. Now, first of all, open the Bitget app and make sure to log into your account. Now, after that, click on Assets, and now select the spot from the top bar, and now click on Withdraw. Now, in the search bar, just search for USDT like that. Now, after that, click on your token, and now click on On-Chain Withdrawal, and now you need to select the network. Now, in order to send this token or USDT from Bitget to Binance without fee, we need to select the BIP20 as a network, as you can see, because it costs us 0. Now, to get to withdraw address of USDT from your Binance account, go back and open your Binance app. And now make sure to log into your account. Now click on Assets and click on Spot from the top bar and click on Deposit. And as you can see, click on USDT. And now set the network as the BIP20 as you set it before on Bitget. Now after that, copy the withdrawal address and go back to your Bitget app and just paste it here in the withdrawal address box. And after that, you can set the amount that you want to transfer and just click on withdraw. In about a few seconds to about a few minutes, you will be able to receive your USDT tokens on your bank or your Binance account without fee. So this is how to transfer USDT from Bitget to Binance without fee. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.